Hello everyone. In this tutorial shows how to create a compression line graph in Google Sheets. It helps you compare trend over time like sales growth or performance so you can easily see trends and make better decisions. So let's begin. First, open your Google spreadsheet document, then select data, go to insert tab, chart and find line chart. See this chart type, draw and see this line chart. Choose the line chart and see this cells 24 and 25. Customize series at error bars or data levels. Use legend position auto inside right left bottom top. Example use none, or you can choose okay. Change the line color, double click and see this. Change the line color. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.